Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. What is mobile application testing? Mobile application testing refers to the process of testing software on mobile devices. Companies complete these testing processes for a few reasons, including making sure that the software works and that the application is attractive to mobile users. There are several different types of testing and multiple methods of completing these tests available to an app developer. Mobile app testing is a process that an independent QA team completes where possible, as this means that there is no inherent bias in the testing introduced by a developer looking to ship the product quickly. The end goal of mobile application testing in a company is to find any issues that are present in the software, establish how the organization can resolve these issues, and ultimately ship a high-quality product that customers are happy to invest in. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.